Hello, welcome to SSE Music. My name is Marty, and today we're going to give you a little tour of the store. That way when you come to our store, you're going to know where you're going and what you're looking for. So once you come inside, first thing you're going to notice to the right is our print music library. Some of the more important things off to your left when you walk in, you're going to see all of our piano method books. Here is all of our band method books. And then this entire back wall is our WSMA festival list wall. Everything that is on the wall will be on the WSMA festival list. Arguably, we can say we have the largest selection in stock of WSMA music in the state. Okay, so then when we come out of the library back into the main body of our store, you are going to notice all of our band and orchestral accessories. We have cases, case accessories, woodwind and brasswood accessories, string accessories, and percussion mallets right next to our repair counter. We have 3 amazing band instrument repair technicians here. They are all Red Wing certified, and they do really good work. If you want to see some of their handiwork, you can check out the link in the description, and it's going to take you to a video of Eric, our lead technician, doing a clarinet repad. And I tell you what, they do amazing things here. Moving further through the store, you'll see our step-up band and orchestral instruments. We carry some amazing instruments from the likes of Eastman and the Conn-Selmer line of instruments. These are the ones that, as your student or you progress further in your studies, you step into these. They're going to be intermediate and professional level instruments that will further enhance your ability to perform music at a higher level. And on the main body of the floor, you're obviously going to see our pianos. We carry new digital pianos from Casio and Roland. You have a few used items on the floor as well, but those are becoming more and more of a rarity, so hopefully we can sell these to a great home because they are great instruments. All right, and then this is the main counter area of our store, and behind me is our main accessory area for band and orchestral equipment, mouthpieces and mutes, oils, reeds, and anything else that you might need to make music in your school music program or performing group. And then over on the other side of our main counter area is the entrance to Tom Bielefeld's workshop. Tom is our string guru. He's a luthier. Anything that has strings on it, guitars, and whatever you need repaired that has strings, he's the guy to talk to. He also does some of our electronic repairs as well. Great technician and a wonderful person to have here on staff. Here's a better look at our hand percussion section. Again, great products from Meinl and Pearl, as well as some Toka and LP products in here as well. Cones, djembes, derbukas, doumbeks. One of my favorite sayings about this area of our store: if you think you're going to have to go online to find it, give us a call, because chances are we probably have it. All right, and then moving from our hand percussion area further into the store, you will come across our pro sound area. Mackie and Soundcraft, PV, Presonus, JBL and Mackie and PV speakers, all sorts of accessories. We have recording products as well for digital recording, microphones from Audix and Shure, AKG, lights. We have lots of lights as well for DJs or bands. Anything that you need to light up for a next gig, we have it here for you as well. Moving on, we come into our drums and our drum set equipment. Drums from Pearl and Ludwig, some of the best names in the industry. Drum heads from Aquarian, Evans, and Remo. Also sticks and cymbals from Sabian, Meinl, and Zildjian. And all of the accessories and hardware that you might need to enhance your kit or to add on to it as well. And as you come into the last part of our store here, we have our fretted strings. We have ukuleles, we have guitars, basses, we have mandolins, banjos, we have acoustic guitars on the wall, and then we have all of the amplification systems for basses and guitars, as well as all of the accessories over in this corner here. capos and strings, slides. We have effects pedals down here. Basically anything you need for your next gig or for just entertaining yourself and your friends and family at home. Thank you so much again for your time today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our store. And if you want to come into the store, we'd be happy to have you. We're open 9:30 till 6 Monday through Fridays, Saturdays 10 till 4. And again, if you don't feel comfortable coming into a store at this time, we can do curbside pickups. Just give us a call, do a credit card over the phone, and we will bring it out to you when you get to our parking lot. If you'd like to shop our website, we're www.ssemusic.com. You can visit us at Facebook and Instagram, and we also have a YouTube page. You can check out all sorts of links to different videos on there as well. Thank you again so much. We appreciate your time and your consideration and your business. Thanks for shopping at SSE Music.